Turning attention now to more breaking news that's coming in on the broadcast. More trouble for Anil Ambani. State Bank of India has decided to classify the loan account of his RCom or Reliance Communications as fraud, a move that dates back to transactions from August 2016. Now, what has really happened is that the bank will report the name of Anil Ambani, erstwhile director of the defunct telecom operator and head of the Reliance Group, to the RBI in line with regulatory requirements for key management personnel involved in such accounts. This has come as RCom is currently under the corporate insolvency resolution process as per the Insolvency and Bankruptcy Code. Now, what does this mean? Let's get in my colleague Vishwanathan Nair from NDTV Profit to decode this for us. First of all, Vishwanathan, what are the details of the SBI move and how significant is it?
Right. So what has happened in this case essentially is that RCom had borrowed about 31,500 odd crore. This was back in the day. And since then, of course, the company has gone through a lot of financial troubles and has gone into the insolvency and bankruptcy proceedings. Now, what has followed is that State Bank of India, starting last year, actually in 2023, had started sending show cause notices to RCom because State Bank of India had conducted a forensic audit of RCom's accounts and found that there were certain transactions which were questionable, and therefore a borrower needs to be given time to respond to the allegations. Depending on the responses that were received from Reliance Communications as well as Anil Ambani, State Bank of India, on behalf of all the banks who have extended money to the company, has decided that the accounts deserve to be tagged as a fraudulent account. Now, of course, they've gone to the RBI and named both the company as well as Anil Ambani in their report. Within 30 days, the rules prescribe that within 30 days, SBI is required to now file a complaint with the Central Bureau of Investigation for further clarification in the matter.
And does that mean that there could be more probe into RCom?
Once the CBI investigation starts, of course, CBI is going to look into all of the transactions from the past and is going to look into the involvement of Anil Ambani as well as the company and its subsidiaries as well as associates, how exactly cash had moved from one end to the other and where this money was actually used. All of these things will be found out during the CBI investigation. So yes, there's going to be a lot more scrutiny into Anil Ambani as well as Reliance Communications.